Hi there, this is Brian with Schoolhouse Auto, and today I'm going to talk about how your AC system works. Here we have the components of the AC system in your car. We have the evaporator, the blower motor, the compressor, the condenser, the orifice tube, the dryer, and then the various hoses that connect them. If you think of a can of compressed air, that's how an AC system works. That's its essential function. The compressor compresses the Freon into a high pressure, high heat liquid. It then flows through the condenser, and a fan from inside the engine blows the hot air from the condenser outside the car. It then goes into the expansion valve. This is the little nozzle on the compressed air. It basically it forces the liquid through a very small hole, turning it into a gas. As that happens, it gets very cold because it bleeds off the heat. Yay, physics. From there, the very cold gas travels through the evaporator, and another fan blows, attached to the blower motor here, blows that cold air right into your cabin. That's how the AC system cools the car down. From there, it just travels essentially right back to the compressor, so the whole cycle goes over again. What can go wrong with an AC system? Most often, there just develops a small leak in one of the hoses or fittings between the hoses, and the compressor has to work extra hard in order to move enough Freon to get it into a liquid state. That burns out the compressor, and then you have to replace the compressor. So if the compressor goes wrong, it's most likely because there's something else wrong in the system. That's why when most people talk about replacing a compressor, they're talking about replacing the condenser and the dryer as well, just to cover all their bases. You'll see a whole AC system replacement if you want to warranty the compressor. So an AC system should not need maintenance. It works exactly like your refrigerator. Your refrigerator, if it's a good brand, will run for 20 years without maintenance. So you don't need to maintain your AC system. If it needs a recharge, there's something wrong with the system. Now you can go to Napa or AutoZone and get a $12 spray can of Freon and put that in there. We don't recommend doing that because there's two things that can go wrong with that. One, you introduce moisture into the system. That is not a good thing and eventually will lead to a further breakdown. The other thing is that you need compressor oil. Those cans don't come with oil in it, and every system has about 1 or 2 ounces of oil in there to keep the compressor nice and healthy. So that's why when we recharge the system, we have a machine that does all that for us. So if you have an AC system that's giving you trouble, give us a call, 608-5277. We'll take a look for you. This has been another video presentation from Schoolhouse Auto. We covered AC today. If there's something you would like us to cover, or if you have a question, please comment in the section below and we'll get to it when we can. Thank you.